Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into BMO Harris Secure Access step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in the URL for BMO Harris Bank. Press the Enter key to navigate to the website. Once the home page loads, locate the Login button, typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. This will redirect you to the Secure Access login page. Here, you will see fields for your user ID and password. Enter your user ID into the designated field. Next, type your password in the adjacent field. Before proceeding, ensure that you have entered both your user ID and password correctly. If you wish to stay logged in on this device, check the box for Remember Me. Now, click the Login button to access your account. If you have forgotten your user ID or password, look for the Forgot User ID or Password link. Click on that link and follow the prompts to recover your information. If you are a first-time user, find the Enroll button on the login page. Click it to initiate the account setup process. After successfully logging in, you will be directed to your account dashboard. From here, you can manage your banking needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.